Alright, in this video we're going to talk about setting up shapes in Illustrator. First, when you open Illustrator and you do File New, if you do not have this on the side, just click Print and it will show up. Make sure to change it to inches and set your inches accordingly. Now, the thing that we want to talk about is the Selection Tool, which you can get to by hitting V. Direct Selection Tool you can get to by hitting A. And your Shape Tools, which you can get to by hitting M for the rectangle, L for the ellipse. The others do not have them. So for simple shapes, if you do not hold the Shift key, you get the triangle. If you do hold the Shift key, you get a square. Real simple. Same thing for the rounded, which gives you rounded shapes. And for the ellipse tool, you get an ellipse, hold the Shift key down, you get a circle. This changes when you go to the Polygon Tool. As you move it, it will automatically select this shape. Using the up and down arrows, you can add points and take away points. Real simple. Just do this before you let up off the mouse. As soon as you let up off the mouse, it's done. You can no longer do that. Same thing with the star tool. Starts with a star, add more points, take away points. Okay? Next thing is modifying these shapes. So if we have a rectangle, you click on your direct selection tool and you can come in here. Now you can move and resize with your selection tool without having to hit Command T. Just resize, do all of that stuff. You can even rotate, go to the edge, rotate around. Direct selection tool, you can modify the individual points, so you click on a point and drag it. If you can't click on the point the first time, just double click on that point and then it'll select it. And you can make all kinds of interesting shapes. So these are called anchor points. You click on an anchor point, you drag, it makes the shape. Believe it or not, that was a rectangle when we started. The difference is if you have a rounded curve or a corner, when you click on those anchor points, you get handles. Now you can move the handles any which way to make it work. Slide this way, slide that way. If you hold the Option key down, you can move them individually so that you can get some very unique shapes. Okay, again, anchor points here, handles here. Option key will allow you to operate one handle at a time. Okay, if you're doing with the direct selection tool, there's one other thing. There's a little target. If you click on that target and drag down, it will allow you to round edges. So just click on it, drag, and it will round them. And that's it for shapes.